Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the new rich text control which has been introduced to AgilePoint NX eForms. It has a lot more features compared to the existing rich text editor control. One of them being that you can now directly copy and paste the content out of existing documents onto the rich text editor surface. So let's look at it in action. So I'm in eForms. I'm going to type rich text editor, drag and drop. I could give some default values over here and it supports all the formatting options, but I'm going to do it on the form surface itself. So I'm going to span it across 3 columns. Go to settings, under advanced. I have a choice that I can keep it as a fixed height control, or I can say auto resize as somebody is entering the values in the control. So I'm going to keep it as auto resize and do a quick preview. So as you can see, there's a lot more options at the top. If you compare it with the existing rich text control, that's what the existing rich text control looked like. It had a lot less features compared to this one. So let's look at how these actions work. So I'm going to type hello world. I'm going to mark it as bold, italic, underline. I'm going to set it as font style as Roboto and font size as 20, and maybe give it a color which is blue. So as you can see, it picked up all my formatting. Now I'm going to start, I can give some background color as well. I'm going to start putting a bullet list. I'm going to say item 1. Now if I don't want to carry the formatting, all I have to do is select this, and I have a new option over here called remove format. So I can say remove format for selected text or selected paragraph. I'm going to remove that for item 1. I'm going to say item 2, item 3. As you can see, my rich text editor size is growing as I'm typing because I set it to auto resize. I can also do sub bullets. So I can say item 3 has sub bullets. So I can increase the indent level over here and say item 3.1, item 3.2. So it has all those features as well where I can control the indentation. I can get it back to item 4 over here. Similarly, there is a number list. So I can say item 1, item 2 on my number list as well. Now moving on, I can put quotations. I can set the alignment of the text. So if I say AgilePoint Inc., I can say it is left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned as well. So you can move the text. I'm going to keep it as left aligned for now. Next, let's look at links, hyperlinks. So I'm going to say insert a hyperlink. This will be to the AgilePoint website. I'm going to call it AgilePoint Inc. as a display text and click insert. So the hyperlink gets inserted. You can remove the hyperlink as well using the remove hyperlink option. Next, I'm going to insert an image. So I'm going to go ahead over here. Now I have an option of either uploading an image or I can give an image URL. So I'm going to upload one, which is kept on my laptop. So I'm going to upload a logo. Again, I can either center align or left align. So I'm going to center align this one. I can change the formatting back or alignment back. One of the big features which has been introduced is the table feature. So let's look at the table. I'm going to say add a new table with 2 rows and 4 columns. So the table got added. Let's enter some text over here. I can say add a row above, add a row below, add a column to the left, add a column to the right. I can delete the whole row, whole column, or the entire table itself. I can also do merging and splitting as well. So I can say I'm right now over here, merge towards right. So as you can see now these 2 columns are merged. Or I can say split vertically. So you can split it as well. So all those formatting options in the tables are available as well. I'm going to go ahead and undo these two. Also, you can control the look and feel of the table. So I'm using the default one, but if I wanted alternate colors, that's available as an option. I can do one with light lines, light bands, two tones. So you can select some of the predefined styles. You can also define your own custom color for odd and even rows, top border colors, bottom border color, and vertical border. You can apply your own formatting if you want it as well. So next, you can of course do uh, subscript and superscript kind of a thing as well. So I'm going to select A2 and I'm going to say this is superscript. You can do an A square, some mathematical formulas. Similarly, you can say this is a demo text and have a strike through kind of formatting. You can add a new heading. You can remove format using this option and then add it as a heading. This is a heading. So you can have heading controls over here. Similarly, some more features, if you see, you can do left to right, right to left. So for example, this one is right now following a left to right editor, but you can start doing right to left as well, and all the text which I enter will follow right to left, which is for Arabic sort of languages. You obviously have undo, redo. I already talked about the remove formatting. Next, you can also export the content which is put in this rich text editor into an HTML page. So you can click on export and it gives you the content in an HTML page if you want it, and which you can print it out. Also, you can clear the whole formatting as well. So I'm going to actually go ahead and click clear, and I'm going to take one of my existing Word documents and show you how it can be easily copied and pasted. So I'm going to copy a logo and I'm going to say make it center aligned, and for the text I'm going to keep it left aligned. I'm going to go back to my document and I'm going to just go ahead and select the content from existing document and paste. So as you can see, it got pasted with all the formatting, like the tables which were there got pasted as well. So that was an overview of the new rich text editor control. Thanks a lot for your time.